Now, let me talk about this drama I've been seeing all over the internet. I don't know the ins and the outs of it. I'm just gonna say what's going on with Puff Daddy, P Daddy, whatever they call it. This is a lot of drama. I can't even follow it. I don't even understand. I only see they raid his house. They're saying he's doing this, he's doing that. I don't know. And all we have to do is just listen to the news and see what's going on, because these people, they have money, but they have more bigger problems than me and you that don't have nothing. Good luck to them. Uh, Everybody have their hole for dig. He's digging his. I hope he can get out of that hole that he dug for himself. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, so today is Friday and it's Good Friday. I'm making this vlog on a Friday and it's Happy Easter when it comes, guys. And I'm going to give you a recap of my week. Much didn't happen this week, so on Monday I'm going to insert clips all over the place. This vlog is going to be all over the place, but guess what, you will understand. On Monday I went to the school that I fell in love with, and I got requested to go back there, and it was a late request. It was like about, I got the request about 8 o'clock and it gave me like half an hour to reach there. By the time I run to the bus stop, oh my god, I was running late, so I had to call and said I'm running late. And if you know me, I don't like to show up to nothing late. I rather go early than late, but they were so accommodating nevertheless, so I went there. But the only thing is that the class that I really did love, I didn't went back to that class. I went to 2 different classes for the day. So first, the class I went with, there were children that use wheelchair, but they were all in the swimming pool swimming. So I stayed there for a little bit where I just read up on their abilities and their needs and stuff like that. And then after, I went to another class which I stayed for the day, and trust me, that class was so different. This boy, oh father, he worked me to the bone that day. Trust me, I worked my money. The boy active more than everything else. He had me all over the place, that when I reached home I was like proper tired. I was knackered. All I could do is I could just eat, have a bath, and go to bed. And that was my Monday. The Tuesday I went to school, which was good. That was the last of school, because you know, every school is on break for 2 weeks now for the Easter break. So even my class is on break for like 2 weeks. So I'm not back until, so my vlog's not gonna be like anything like related to like school things, like me going to school or me going to work in a school. So it's gonna be a little bit different. So on Wednesday, I actually didn't do any work. I didn't go to any work Wednesday. What I did Wednesday is, like, on Wednesday I went shopping first. So I went to the supermarket, and then after the supermarket I went to get my car washed. So I did that, and then after that I went to Costco. You know, my monthly thing at Costco, but this month I had to go like a little bit sooner because I had to give one of my neighbors one of the case of water, so I was really running out. So I had to make a quick trip to Costco. So that was Wednesday. Did I do anything else? Wednesday I was running, yeah, and I went to get I even went to get my eyes test again. I don't know why on God earth that they gave me an appointment again, and I got my new pair of glasses. How do they look? I like them. They so cute. Hey. And then, so you know, these ones I can see very well. These are good. They're clear, but they're super nice. I love them. So that was Wednesday. So Thursday, what I did Thursday, I prepared for Easter. I know we prepared in our Jamaican culture for Easter. We have bun and cheese. Bun. I like the bun in the box, and cheese. You know, Jamaican girls have to have the Jamaican cheese, the tasty cheese. So, and then I had to, and then I fried some fish. So we have fried fish and bun and cheese because on Good Friday we don't eat no meat that has blood in it. I grew up with that tradition just like that, so we just follow the tradition and that's it. So that's it. And today's Friday, so on Friday I went to my retail job because I'm a weekend staff and every bank holidays you've got to work. So actually I did today, that's Friday, so, and then I'm working Saturday, Sunday I rest, then I'm back Monday because Monday is a bank holiday as well, and then I book overtime for the rest of the week. So I'm going to that job for the following week. So that's how my week went, guys. Now if you reach this far in my video, thanks for watching, and please remember to click that button and subscribe to your girl. Thank you.
This guy wants to be in a Viagra commercial with you, basically. I saw your eyes start to water.
Iba ko lang sa bar.